Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. Today I am going to explain you behavior of slice operator in Python language. So what is behavior of slice operator? Suppose S is a variable where you can start with begin, end and step. There are three portions in this variable. Step value can be positive or negative. If the step value is positive, then it should be in the forward direction. That means it will move from left to right. And we have to consider begin to end minus 1. If the step value is negative, if the step value is negative, then it should be in backward direction, and we have to consider begin to end plus 1. I will explain some note on backward direction and forward direction. So first I should explain the note. In the backward direction, if end value is minus 1, when result is always empty. In the forward direction, if end value is 0, the result is always empty. So in forward direction, the default value for begin is 0. The default value for end, length of string, and default value for step is plus 1. In case of backward direction, default value for begin is minus 1, and default value for end, that is minus length of string plus 1. Length of string minus length of string plus 1. Okay, good. Now our slice operator study. Slice operator study means I have taken, suppose S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the letters that we put in variable AS. Okay, so if the S is S, begin value 1, end value 6, 2, the step is 2 plus 2, so B, D, F, and now there is no begin value, end value, only the step value. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, all will be printed. In the number 4, S is without begin and end value. The step value is minus 1. So it will print from the backward direction. J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now there is another example on slice operator. S in the bracket, the beginning number is 3, the end number is 7, and the step value is minus 1. So it will not print anything. But if it is, the S will be the beginning number. In the S variable, the beginning number is 7, the end number is 4 and minus 1, it will print H, G and F. Okay, A, G and F. So A, G and F. Good. So other example on slice operator. S starting from begin value 0, 1000 plus 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. If the begin value is minus 4 and the end value is 1 and the step value is minus 1, so G, F, E, D, C. G, F, E, D, C. The answer is, the output is. If this in this variable is, the begin value is minus 4, end value is 1 and step value is minus 2, then the output will be GEC. GEC. It will also print from the backward direction, because its step value is minus 2, negative. Backward, negative is always in the backward direction, positive in the forward direction. When the step value is +1, then it will count from the forward direction. When the step value is -1 or -2, it will count from the backward direction. Now 501, so 0, end is 0, end is, we didn't mention the end value, so it will print nothing, it will print nothing. S0, -11, -1, so there are 11 values, at the last -1 is 8. The 14 number example, S in beginning and the end value is 0 and 0, step value is 1, it will print nothing. S0 is the beginning value, -9 is the end value, -2 is the step value, it will print nothing. 16, S -5, -9, -2, and the answer will be FD. Number 17, S10 is the beginning value, -1 is the end value, +1, so it will also print nothing, because the beginning value starting with the 10, which is the end value, so for this reason it will not give you any answer. S1000 is to 2, -1, that will begin with JIAGFED. For today this is at all. This is the slice operator study. In the next class we will study mathematical operator for string. So friends, please like my channel, share my channel, subscribe my channel, and comment whatever you need through my videos. Please comment it. And if you want the previous videos of Python, Java and C, you will click on the I button link to get those videos on various other languages such as Python, C and Java. Thank you for today. Thank you friends.